Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool episode right here, and basically what this is an espresso machine. And we see for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and right here is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. If you guys turn on to the side, they do probably got some of the specs and features that's on here. So they mentioned how it does have an automatic hands-free dosing option, adjustable grind amount. They have a precision heating system, and they do have a handcrafted microfoam milk option. And if you guys turn to the back, they also probably got some more specs and features about the product as well. But first, I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like and also what's included inside first. So when you guys first open the inside, you can see there's a lot of stuff inside. So first thing inside, they do probably got a cleaning kit. If you guys do open up, this is everything that's included inside. So they do probably got a little tool. They probably got some cleaning tablet. And right here, they probably got all the other cleaning tools as well. Next up right here, they probably got another accessory. Next box inside, they probably got the razor. If you guys do open up, here's basically what the inside looks like. So you guys do take it out. This is what the razor looks like. So if you guys are curious about how to use it, they do probably got some information right here. Next up right here, they do probably got the quick starter guide and a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Right here, they do probably got the filter basket. If you guys do take it out, this is what the inside looks like. So I'm assuming they probably got 2 of the single wall filters and 2 of the dual wall filters. So for the single wall, they mention how it's for ground coffee. And then for the dual wall, it's for pre-ground coffee. And see how it does mention on there for you. Next up right here, they probably got another one accessory that's in use. So if you guys never used one of these, you do want to follow instruction to teach you guys how to use it. But it's basically 2 ways for the liquid to drip out. One on this side, one on the other side. And right into that, I'm assuming it's the product. So let's take that out. So you definitely want to take your time when you guys do take it out. Try not to hurt yourself and try not to damage anything. So inside, you can see they do probably got one of these cups that you use for the foam option. So let's do open up. If you guys do take it out, here is basically what the product looks like inside. So you can basically use the product for like steaming stuff or like foaming stuff when you guys do use it. And they also probably got this bag of descaler as well, which is pretty cool. Next up right here, I'm assuming this is the top part where you can add in the beans so that we can fall down and start grinding. But now let's take this out. Let's take out the wrapper. Once you guys do take out the wrapper, this is basically what the product looks like. Since these throughout the product, they do have the more wrappers and some tape. Let me remove all of them first. Alright, so once you guys take out the wrapper, this is basically what the product looks like. So top part right here is where you can put this. So let's put it on. Once you guys put it on, you do want to open it up. And you guys want to turn the top part to lock it in place. And if you guys want to set up the other accessories, feel free to do so. So this one will go right here. And you guys want to lock it like this. And then for a cup, you guys want to put it right here. So just like that. And if you guys are curious about what this accessory is for, let me show you guys how to use it. You basically want to unlock it. And when you guys do add the ground coffee inside, you want to press it. And once you guys do press it, you guys can put it back in. And lock it back in. And that is how you guys use this accessory. But now let's bring the camera a little bit closer to show you guys what the product looks like and what is actually on here. So when you guys do bring up close, this is basically what the product looks like. So the top part is where you can add in the beans. On the side, they do give you guys the option to adjust like the grind size. So if you guys want fine or coarse. Right here in the back, you may see we do have the water tank. And they do have a handle for you guys to open up. So you can take it out really easily. And when you guys do remove it, that is where the water will go in. And you guys can see inside there is something. So inside the water tank, they do provide you guys the filter option that is set up in the back. And they also explain to you guys how to use it. So I'll show you guys how to set that up in a second. I want to show you guys what else is on here first. On the side of the water tank, you can see we do have a max line. So when you have to add the water inside, you don't want to fill above that line. On the side right here, we do have standby. And that is the control for this option right here. And you guys can see in the front right here, there's a lot of buttons. So right here on top, we do have the brand logo. Right here, we do have the power button. Here we do have the grind amount. You can adjust it to be more or less based on your own preference. Here we do have the filter size. So whether you guys want single or double. Right here, show you guys the pressure. Here we do have program. And right here we do have 2 buttons. One for single and one for double or dual. But pretty much for this product, when you guys do use it, it is pretty cool. It's basically an all-in-one espresso machine where it helps you guys grind the beans. And it helps you guys produce espresso right here. And inside we do have the steaming or the foaming option, which is pretty cool. And then for the bottom part, we do have the drip tray. So let's do take it out. And if you slide it out, you guys can pretty much clean it really easy. You can see how everything is removable. And inside they do give you guys a tool storage tray. So that way you can organize all the tools that you guys are not using inside, which is pretty convenient. So definitely the way how to design the product is actually pretty cool. Everything about the product is actually very high quality, as you can see. So first thing I'm gonna do is take out the water tank. And on the back of the water tank, MC, they do provide an instruction to teach you guys how to set up the filter option. So they mention how you guys want to replace it every 2 months or 60 tank of refills. And they also mention how you do want to clean the tank, which they do show you guys instruction on top. So when you guys do use the filter for the first time, you do want to soak it in water. For this quick test, I would not actually put in the filter yet. So pretty much what you guys want to do is to take out the filter inside this bag. And you guys want to insert it inside right here. Once you guys do insert it inside, you pretty much want to put this inside. So right here. Once you guys do that, you have to close it back up. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. So now I'm actually add some water inside and we'll plug it in to show you guys how it works and what the pot looks like when you guys do use it. Alright. So that should be good. So we can put this back in the back. Close it back up. And obviously if it's the first time using the product, you do want to run it a few times to make sure it's clean first. But now let's plug it in to test it out to show you guys what the product looks like and how it works. So once you guys are ready to use it, you basically want to press the power button. And because we don't have any coffee bean inside, there's nothing for us to filter. But we just press right here and select what you want to use. And we see the bottom starts draining the water. So if you want to stop it, you basically want to press right here. And that stops it. So that is basically how you guys use that option. If you guys want to use the steaming option or the foam option, you guys want to put the cup inside. So once you guys put it in, you guys want to turn it aside. And we see how it does light up right here, hot water and steam. So right now we do have the hot water option on or steam option. So it should start any minute. And see how much hot steam is coming out when you guys do use it. If you guys want to turn it off, turn it back this way. And that basically turns it off. And if you guys turn the other way, that is the hot water option. So pretty much on the side right here, one is for steam and the other one for hot water. So very easy and very simple for you guys to use the different features on here. This side right here is the grinding option. This side right here is for espresso, and the other side is for steaming and the hot water option. They can also use for the folding option as well, which is pretty cool. So like I mentioned earlier, this is basically an all-in-one device. So that way you guys don't have to buy a different thing for each thing. Like one for beans, one for espresso, and one for folding. This is all in one, which is pretty cool. So the way how you use the grinding option is actually very easy and very simple. You basically want to take this part out. Once you guys take this part out, you guys want to insert it in. And that will basically help you guys grind your beans. But because right now, like I mentioned, we don't have any bean inside, there's nothing for the grind. Once you guys finish that, you guys bring this over this side and lock it in. And then once you guys finish that step, you guys can bring it over the steam option right here on the side. Alright, so now that it's all quick test the product, you can see it definitely does work and actually works quite well. You can see how easy it is to actually use the product, but that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality espresso machine that basically give you guys everything that I mentioned and show you guys as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.